As promised, I'm back. Like I said, I wanted to keep these consistent. I just want to say happy holidays to everyone. Shout outs to my MVO posse. Most valid opinion. If you guys are not on already, check us out on Apple, iTunes, Spotify. Look us up on the Most Valid Opinion Uncensored podcast to get all your hip hop and fuckery needs. So anyways, back to this money. I want to give away one of my long-term picks, which is my second biggest holding. Apple's my first. It's called Enlink Midstream. Their ticker is ENLC. I've been invested in this company for about 2 years. You can check the charts. I first brought into this company when they were like $280 per share. Now they're at $650. It's a long story how I stumbled across this company, but I'm gonna just say their ticker was once under XTXI, which back then they also was still a natural gas company. That was actually one of my first investments ever, and one of my best ones. And I invested in them like around 2005, 4. Remember selling off around 2012. Ended up finding them again under a new ticker when they brought out a company. Jumped back in. And it seems like we're picked up the old flame. So overall, this is my favorite stock. One, because they pay out dividends. They've stuck to their word. The only thing on their balance sheet that's a little off, that when I first invested in the stock, it was throwing investors off, was that they were in debt. They were only in debt because they had brought out a company. Now, everyone knows, unless you're a big company like Amazon or AT&T, you're not going to be able to buy out another company without accumulating some kind of debt, unless your cash flow is big. So that was the case with this company. They brought out another company, went completely on their balance sheet, put them in the debt. Now that debt's almost paid off. They've been paying out dividends since I've got into this stock. They just recently raised their dividends. I'm going to post all the facts up for you guys. You could do a little bit of reading. But overall, that's going to be my holiday pick. Is one of my favorite stocks. I'm probably going to be in it depending on how it goes. You know, if you're a trader, you know, you don't sell your position unless something, you know. But what I am doing, and I don't recommend this unless you're somewhat experienced. I myself am not a complete experienced person in stock option trading, but I'm trading options around this company. I'll let you guys know how that works out come 2022 mid-year. That's where I brought a few calls for. But anyways, Enlink Midstream, $650 per share. I'm in there to maybe 30. That's how good. Is it one of my long-term investments? Meaning they get hit $30 per share in the next 5 years. I'm good with that because I'm in there long-term. I've been in this company since it was $280. And that was only a little under 2 years, and I've already doubled up my capital invested, more than doubled up. So check out my next video. I might give you my insight on AT&T again and why I'm fully invested in AT&T. MVO out.